How to use Google Play on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the search bar and type in Google Play. From the search results, tap on the official Google Play link to visit the website. The Google Play Store is the official app store for Android, offering millions of apps, games, music, movies, and more. You can freely browse through its vast catalog of applications, games, and other digital content. Tapping on an app will show you its details, screenshots, and reviews. For example, I am tapping on Ludo King to view its dedicated page. Here, you can see detailed information, including its rating, number of downloads, and reviews. Tap on Install to download the app. Following these steps, you can easily use Google Play on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.